Hey guys, it's your boy F Twilight. So I talk about Japan and gaming on this channel. So one thing that happened to me when I moved to Japan was that I had a real hard time transferring money between my Japanese bank account to my American account. So if you're having that same problem, I'm here to help. So let's go to the ATM and let me show you what to do with Transferwise. So as you see, we got the ATM machine. So this is where you're going to start off at. So first, when you walk to the ATM, you want to click on this one right here. This is Gosokin, which is send money. So after that, you see these options. You want to click on the fourth option, this one right here. So it's going to be like a confirmation menu. You click the green arrow to go to the next page. Now, you insert your card. Next, you put your PIN number in. So, after this, you're going to be looking for the bank, which is going to be this option here, UFJ. After this, they're going to be looking for the bank name. So the bank we're looking for is Ebisu. So you're going to click A, which is this character here. Now, Ebisu should be on the next page. So click the next page. And here you are. That one is Ebisu. Now, on this page, you're going to want to click the first option. So let's click the first option. Here is going to be the code that Transferwise gives you. So this number seems to always be the same, but it might be different for you. But if it's not, this number happens to be 0785985. So then hit the green button to go next. Now this is where you enter the amount of money you want to send. So let's go with 100,000 yen. Then you click the N button, which is the money button. This is a confirmation of the amount of money you want to send. So click the green button. Now this is telling you that it's going to be a 220 yen fee, which is $2.20 fee to do the sending. That's okay. So we're going to click next. Now here is a confirmation of all your details. So we're going to click that. Go to the next. Now you're going to enter your phone number here. So you got this. Again, confirmation. This is all the details. Confirmation here. Now you can take a look at your spread, see confirmation number, how much, and then you would click the green button, and that would be the final step. Then you would check online to match up this transaction with the one that you did on the Transferwise website. And that's it. So now you should be fine. So guys, I hope that helped you. So here's another little bit of information. So you might have heard numbers like 200 yen and 100,000 yen. So a good rule of thumb to get the USD, that's if you're from America like me, is remove 2 zeros on the yen, and that will equal up, or almost equal up, to the equivalent USD. So if 100,000 yen, you take off the 2 zeros, that'll equal up to about 1,000 US. So that's just a little tidbit that I hope that helps you guys out. So thanks. Like, follow, subscribe, for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.